Today we'll start with exercise 11.4. A garden is 90-meter long. This is a garden. It is a 90-meter length is given 90 meter and breadth is given 75 meters. A path of 5 meter is drawn outside this garden. We have drawn a path outside this garden and we have to find out the area of the path as well as the area of the garden. See, 5 meters have been increased from this side and 5 meter has been increased from this side. So both sides 5 meters, total 10 meters. So 90 plus 10, that will be 100 meters. That will be the length of the outer rectangle. 75 plus 10, that will be 85. That will be the breadth of your outer rectangle. Okay. So first of all, length and breadth is given. Write down the length of the garden is 90 meters and breadth of the garden is 75 meter. Pulkit, start writing. Length and breadth is given. The area of the garden, the formula of area of the garden is length into breadth. So you have to multiply 90 into 75. How much you will be getting? And you are multiplying 90 into 75. Children, multiply it. How much you are getting? Arav, Astha, Aryan, Ananya. No, beta. Naitik, check again. 90 into 75. Arav Sharma, Aryan Sharma, Gaurav Kumar, open your camera. Yes, children, give me the answer. Akmal Khan. Multiply it, children. Yes, 6750, right answer. That's right, Natik. 6750 meter square will be the area of the garden. Now we'll take out the area of the outer garden, that is area of the garden will be outside it, that is be length into breadth 100 into 85, that will be 8500 meter square. Now we have to find out the area of the path here. So what we are going to do, area of the garden including path will be subtracted with area of the garden inside it. So subtract the value, children. So what will be the area of the path? Jessica, Arav, Astha, Aryan, Gaurav. So the area of path is 1750 meters square. Now we need, in this question they are asking that in hectare we need the area of the garden. You have already taken out the area of the garden is 6750. 6750 is the area of the garden. Now in 1 hectare, how many meters? 10,000 meters square. 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square. Okay. So the area of the garden, when we'll take it out in hectares, will be divided by 10,000. 6750 will be divided by 10,000. So how much you will be getting when you divide it? So yes, 0.675 hectares. Swastik, right answer. 0.675. In question number 2, it's given a 3-meter wide path runs outside and around the rectangular park of length 125 meter and breadth 65 meters. We have to find out the area of the path. Here, A wide path is given, a 3 meter wide path is there, which is outside the rectangular path. This is a rectangular path, its length and breadth is given 125 and 65. Children, draw the diagram. 125 and 65. This is a rectangular path and 3 meter wide path is outside it. So 3 meters plus 3 meters, 125 plus 6, that will be 131, will be the length of the outside of the path. 65 plus 3 plus 3 will be the breadth of the outside path. Okay, so first of all, the length and breadth is given of the park. 125 and 65 will take out the area of the park. What will be the area of the park? 125 into 65, length into breadth. Multiply it, children. How much you are getting? 125 multiplied by 65. This is the inner region, area of the inner region. That is your park. Multiply it, children. Yes, Anshika, your answer is right. 8125. That's correct. 8125 meter square is the area of the park. Now, then outside the park, again we are going to multiply it. New area of the park, 131 multiplied by 71. Multiply it, children. How much you will be getting? Asa, that is the area of the park. Now outside the park, how much you are getting? Multiply it. 131 multiplied by 71. Avika, open your camera. Come on, children. 131 multiplied by 71. How much you are getting? 9301. Right answer, Anshika. Only Anshika is giving me the answer. Why is it so? 9301 is the right answer. Is Astha right? Now we have to find out the area of the path also. Area of the path will be, you will be subtracting it. Okay, new area of the path will be subtracted with the area of the path. You will subtract it. How much you will be getting after subtracting? What will be the area of the path? 1176 meter square. Yes, Swastik. Right answer. Astha. Right answer. 1176 meter square. After subtracting, you are getting 1176 meter square. That's right. Next question is, a veranda with 2.25 meter is constructed all along outside a room which is 5.5 meter long and 4 meter wide. There is a room, okay, outside a room there is a long 4 meter and 5.5 meter is given. We have to find out the area of the path. 2.25 meter is the width of that veranda. So we have to add 5.5 plus 2.25 from one side, 2.25 from the another side. So you will be getting outside the room 10 meters and breadth you will be getting 4 meter plus 2.25 plus 2.25. From left side and right side, you will get 8.5 meters. Okay. Now we have to find out the area of the path. For that, first of all, we'll take out the area of the room. That will be length into breadth. 5.5 will be multiplied by 4. So how much you will be getting when you are multiplying 5.5 with 4? Multiply it, children. 5.5 multiplied by 4. And take out the area of the room. Shubh? Yes, Avika, answer is right. 22 meters square. Yes, Rajal, your answer is also right. So area of the room is 22 meters square. Now we'll take out the new length and breadth, which is outside the veranda. That is 8.5 will be multiplied with 10. So you will be getting 85 meters square. Now what will be the area of the veranda? What you are going to do? Add it or subtract it to take out the area of the veranda? We'll subtract it. Area of the room when veranda is included and when an area of the room. We'll subtract both of them. Yes, subtracted. So when you subtract this 85 minus 22, how much you are getting? 63, right, Vika? 63 meters square will be the area of veranda. Area of veranda will be 63 meter square. That's right. Absolutely correct. Now in the B part it is given the cost of cementing the floor of the veranda at the rate of rupees 200 per meter square. The cost of cementing is rupees 200. So 63 will be multiplied with 200. 63 when multiplied with 200, how much you will be getting? That will be the cost of cementing the floor. Yes, 12600. Avika, check your answer. Rajal is right. 126 rupees, 12600. 12,600 will be the money you will be giving it. Got it, Anshika? Natik, Priyanshi, Shubh. Did you understand this question? Question number 4.